Welcome.
Welcome.
What episode are we on?
22.
22. Okay, not too bad. So welcome to episode 22 of the Ultra RC Hobby Show.
Yes.
He's Chris. I'm Aaron. If you don't already know, now you do. We're going to talk about lots of stuff. We have a special guest tonight. Yeah. We have TRX-4 Adventure Edition.
Adventure Edition.
We have drift cars.
Drift cars. It's a Yokomo.
Yokomo. We also have carpet downstairs, so we're going to watch drifting downstairs with the Yokomo, and we're going to talk about the Yokomo. But yeah, we have lots of stuff going on, so we should probably just get right into it.
Let's get into it.
You gotta shake everything. I don't understand. Okay, so what do you want to talk about first? Do you want to talk about adventure or
Adventure?
Adventure.
Yeah,
okay.
let's go with the adventure.
Okay, so this is the
That's
brand
a
new.
really nice color.
Yeah, so this is a brand new Traxxas Defender Adventure Edition. So there's only 500 in 500 in Canada. This is only Canada and Europe. The States did not get any. So if you need, we got some. If you're from the States, if you're watching this. But the biggest difference on this truck and the regular Defender Edition is this is going to be super limited edition, 500. And it's also hand painted. So on this particular one, we'll get a close-up of it, but there's actually a little bit of overspray in the black to the orange. So there's a little bit of black specks on there, which is kind of neat. The 110-year anniversary, you're also going to get all of the black features, so you get the black gas cans and the black jack. 21, bro. You also get the chrome wheels.
The chrome ring.
Yeah, and then all the windows are clear. So this is the first thing from Traxxas. They have not done this on any other truck other than the Bronco. Bronco, I think, was clear.
Yeah, I think it was.
Yeah. So this is the first one they did that to. And then when we open it up, it's the exact same truck otherwise to the regular old Defender. So you get regular old TRX-4, inner fender wells right on the Defender. And then you get your 2-speed transmission, chassis mounted servo, 21 turn reverse 550 motor, lockable diffs, all the cool stuff.
Same great truck with a new exciting color.
Yeah, super limited edition too. Come check it out. This color was actually on a Land Rover in 2015, I do believe. So this is the legit Land Rover orange. Like, its bodies always struggle. Gotta get the back in first.
It takes a while.
You always, pro tip,
you gotta do the
always
back first.
Get the back lined up in the bumper before. So, yeah. So this is the brand new Adventure Edition Land Rover.
How much is it, Aaron?
They're $674. So a little bit more
but you
than
get
the regular Defender.
A little more detail to it and all that stuff.
Yeah, a little bit more detail. A little bit more work goes into making these ones compared to the regular Land Rover. And you can still do the light kit, you can still do all that stuff with this particular body, just because it is the exact same. So, yeah. So let's start with your drift car.
Alrighty.
I love this paint job.
Yeah, the blue turned out really nice. I had to go with blue. It's Subaru.
Yeah.
It was either blue or black.
I've seen a couple black ones. They look not bad.
Oh yeah, yeah, very nice.
Yeah.
So this is a Yokomo Type C Plus, I believe. I'm pretty sure that's the exact name, but it's got a few different writings on the box. But there it is. So 4-wheel drive drift car. Lots of steering angle in this guy. You've got oil-filled shocks with him. A one-way diff in the front. So when you stop the back tires, the fronts keep going. So that makes it so when you hit the brake, it's only going to lock up the back tires.
So it's going to replicate like when you rip the e-brake.
Pull on that e-brake, great. So
that's
you
pretty
can
cool.
Jam that and slide into the corners.
I like that it's a shaft drive car.
Shaft driven as well.
So the best part about shaft drive is if you want to use this car outside, you don't have to worry about the belts breaking.
Exactly.
That was always the big issue with like the Sprint 2s,
Getting
stuff
a rock
like that.
in there.
Yeah, and then wrecking the belts. So that's cool. And I also see that it has steel shafts, and it's a CVA style car, so non-universal.
Exactly.
So it gives you your nice steering angle.
Super nice steering angle.
Yeah, this is really cool.
10.5 turn speed passion motor with the Mamba X speed controller, the ProTech 160T servo, and a Spectra receiver.
Yeah, so it's a low profile servo, metal case.
Very fast.
It's really buried in there. Okay, so that's that.
Yeah.
So let's, I guess, we can either go drift it or we can get a special guest.
What do you want to do?
Well, we could go drift it.
And then bring up our special guest?
Yeah, because he's downstairs anyway.
That works for me.
Okay, well, let's go downstairs. So we got some brand new ozite carpet, well, new to us anyway, ozite carpet down here in the basement that we're going to drift on now on Tuesdays. So you're going to see a little bit more of this action from time to time. We're actually going to pick all of this carpet up and we're going to be going to the X with it. So the X is the 8th to the 12th, if I'm not mistaken, of August. So we'll be in Hall A with all this carpet having fun. You'll see some more drift sessions and stuff like that down there. So make sure to come to the Saskatoon X from the 8th to the 12th. And come say hi, we're in Hall A.
Changes in tires. I'm gonna try a different compound here to see if it slides a little bit differently on the carpet. And they're gold rims too, so it matches the Subaru.
Okay, so we're here with the 2018 Rue Boys TTC winner, Dirk Stonehouse. So Dirk is a local member here with the Off-Road Club, Crawler Club, am I missing something else? Kilowatts Club. So he does pretty much just about anything, whether it's land, bots. Do you do anything in the air?
Not really.
Not really? Okay, so he doesn't really do much in the air. But this is his winning truck. So this is win number what, 3?
Number 3 out of 6 events.
6 events. Okay, so yeah, he's kind of a big deal around here. So he doesn't like to admit it. He's way too modest. So we got him on the show though somehow. Had to twist his rubber arm, maybe.
It's good rubber.
Didn't
Yeah.
have to test too. Didn't have to twist too hard.
There we go. Okay, so give us a quick rundown on what the TTC event is. Like what it entails, what events are involved.
It's a tough truck competition. Basically, build your truck as tough as you can, and it is tested through 5-6 different courses. Hill climb, obstacle course, sled pull,
Tank trap.
tank trap, and mud bog.
Mud bog. Okay, so it's pretty hard on vehicles, I imagine.
It can be very hard on vehicles.
So I know you were here this morning picking up parts. What did you end up breaking on your winning rig?
After finishing the last course, on the way back to the parking lot, transmission piled up. And the top input drive gear inside disintegrated.
Right at the end.
Seems like some pretty good timing. Okay, so sitting and looking at this truck, like I picked it up and I was like, holy man, like I could like curl that and that's a workout. So what is the weight of this truck?
Roughly somewhere around 11 pounds.
Oh, yeah, it's light. No big deal. No. So how did you get the weight? Because I know there's definitely a lot of cool scale accessories on the back here. You have lots of cool stuff there. But that's not all the weight. So where did you get the weight?
There's a lot of weight in the steel rock sliders and bumpers. And there's added weight in the wheels themselves. There's just over a pound of lead in each wheel.
Wow. So that's heavy. 4 pounds just in wheels and tires.
Yes.
That's not bad. So what else have you done to the truck? Because I don't think there's much stock here. So I guess maybe the list would be easier if I said, what haven't you done to the truck?
There's about 4 pieces of original plastic in the chassis, and every other part is aftermarket or has been replaced.
Okay, so what are you seeing, Chris? I saw you looking under
4
its,
pieces.
I seen you were looking under its skirt. It's undercarriage. What did you
Checking
find?
on its undercarriage. We've got Vanquish aluminum axles front and rear, it looks like.
Yep.
The Vanquish steering links and normal links. Yep.
Yep, all Vanquish.
Oh yeah. Desert Lizard shocks. Vanquish hubs and knuckles and CVDs. Lots of Vanquish in there. Vanquish trusses,
Yep.
all heavy duty gears in there.
Everything is beefy.
Oh yeah.
Well, by the sounds of it, like the tank trap and the mud bog sounded like an absolute brutal
A
thing
lot
for
of
trucks.
a lot of trucks burned out motors in the mud bog this year. It
Oh,
was
I bet.
very thick mud.
Wow.
Only 2 trucks made it through the first section of the mud bog. Nobody finished the entire thing.
So I hope you were one of them.
Well, my truck was one of the 2 that made it through the first section.
And what was the other one?
An extremely fast Wraith that hydroplaned that section of mud.
Fair enough.
I had to push my way through.
Yeah, well, I'd imagine. So I see Super Swampers. Are these 2.2 XLs or just regulars?
I believe they are the XLs.
XLs. They're a pretty big truck.
Yeah.
Yeah, like there's not much room there.
No.
Okay, so there's an interior in here. So did you build that custom interior?
No, it was from, I believe, Dinky RC. And put 2 full figures in there. They're Woody and Jesse from Toy Story. The
Classy.
kids love it when they see them at the shows.
Yeah. That's good. Is there anything else you want to add that we missed? I know we kind of talked about it a little bit. Was there anything that you did to make this truck your own? Obviously, other than all of this cool stuff in the paint job. So if you don't know, Dirk's like a professional painter. Well,
It's a custom paint job, custom flames on it.
I call him professional, but no. He's really darn good at what he does.
No, just built it as beefy as I could using available parts and just take it out and drive it.
I love it. So this thing would obviously be seen on the trails here in Saskatoon as well.
Been out on many trail runs.
I know I've trailed with this thing, and you've probably trailed with Dirk
I've
lots
trailed it
too.
a few times, yeah.
But yeah, so let's just turn this around and just make sure we get that one awesome sticker. It's an Ultra sticker on it. So Dirk was awesome enough to put an Ultra sticker on it and support us. So thank you, Dirk. Thank you for coming on the show. I know we kind of put you on the
You're
spot.
welcome.
But thank you for showing us this beautiful rig. And congratulations on
Thank you.
placing first again.
Thank you.
And that's it. That's all. So I guess this is the end of episode 22.
Yeah.
So thank you for watching. Thank you for tuning in. So don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Share with all your friends. So Dirk even got in on that. He must be watching all 21 episodes. He knows what the routine is.
Yep.
But yeah, thank you again for watching. We really appreciate it. And we'll see you on the next one.